Contaminated refrigerant gas video, very short, not much to tell. This is what happens when shops don't own a refrigerant identifier and they recover one car with contaminated refrigerant, mix it with their recycled refrigerant, pump it into a couple other cars, contaminate everybody, and here we got 23% R22, 2.3% R12, and 74% R12. 2.3% 134 and 23%. Don't know, messed up on my wording there, but take it as it is. And R22 eats at rubber components inside of gauges, hoses, seals. This is an old car anyway. I expect it to leak. They did leak at the front shaft seal of the compressors when they got old, and leaking at the case sections, which is common, but that's the problem with R22. Someone says, okay, it's a little bit of mixed gas, but 22 attacks rubber synthetic components and stuff. 22 is being automotive at all. That's it on this short little video, and got a couple other cars to recover here because of contamination. And this is why never go to a shop who doesn't have a refrigerant analyzer, and always test your gas before you recover it into your tanks. In this case, you have one tank set aside with contaminated gas, and you go down to one of the commercial places like Johnstone Supplies, American Refrigerant Supplies, one of the big nation chains. They will take your contaminated gas at a charge, but no big deal, you're charging your customer anyway. And once you fill your tank up, just turn it in while you're picking up your other supplies. And that's it on this one.